In today's video, I'm going to teach you create customers for Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a new customer profile so your invoices, estimates, and payment tracking all stay organized and accurate. Once you're signed in to Zoho Books and on your company dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click Sales, and then select Customers. This takes you to your customer list. If you're just getting started, the list might be empty. If you've already added customers before, you'll see them displayed here with key details and balances, which is helpful for quick reference. To create a new customer, head to the top right corner and click the New button. In some layouts, it may say New Customer, but it's in that top right area. This opens a form where you'll enter everything you need for that customer's profile. Start with the customer's display name, which is the name you want to appear on invoices and reports. If the customer is a company, you can include the company name and a primary contact person. Add contact details such as a general email and phone number so documents and reminders reach the right place. Next, fill in billing and shipping addresses. Keeping these complete and consistent helps ensure your invoices and packages go where they're supposed to, and it saves you time later. If you operate in multiple currencies or have tax rules to follow, choose the correct currency and tax treatment from the available fields. You can also set default payment terms, like net 15 or net 30, so due dates are calculated automatically when you create invoices for this customer. If your organization uses tags or custom fields, add them now to keep your records tidy and searchable. Before saving, take a moment to review everything. Check spellings, verify phone numbers, and make sure any tax and currency choices match how you intend to bill this customer. The details you enter here will flow into your invoices and statements, so accuracy makes a real difference. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be taken back to your customer list, where your new customer will now appear. From here, you can open the profile anytime to view history, make edits, or create transactions later on. That's all there is to it. Click Sales, select Customers, use the New button, enter the details, and save. With this simple process, your Zoho Books customer records will stay clean, consistent, and ready for smooth billing and reporting. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps for each new customer you bring on.